Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm. If you dump the milk, then it will make all of them.
You gotta dump the milk.
No, I'm just going to try to drink it.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with CJ. Today, we're making 2-ingredient brownies. That's right, eggs and Nutella. Not only are they delicious, but they're gluten-free.
Excuse me.
You're gross.
I just said excuse me.
That doesn't mean you're not gross.
That means if you say excuse me, that means you're not gross.
Okay.
You just farted, that's why you...
I just farted.
Yeah, that's why you forgot to say excuse me.
When did I fart?
Last year. I mean, this morning, that's why you just fart. That's why I just heard the noise when you farted and you just didn't say, excuse me.
I said excuse me.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, huh?
Well, you're not sick.
Okay, I'll take that.
Yeah, you're not snake. Stink. Welcome to Cooking with CJ.
So, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn the oven on to 350 degrees while you start cracking these eggs. I need you to crack 4 eggs for me, okay?
Okay.
Right into this bowl.
Can you help me?
Yeah, well, go crack them. Go ahead. You know how to crack. You know how to crack an egg.
Like this. Ah, God. I mean, okay. That one. Quack. 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 Good.
It's 2.
Oh, you got it over your counter.
All over the counter. Oh no, we made a mess.
Still good.
Ew! You eating raw eggs? You're gross.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's gross. Ugh. All right, good to go. It's 4. I can't believe you ate raw eggs. Ugh. All right, you know what's next? Next, we're going to mix it. So I'm gonna put the bowl on. Okay.
Okay, and I'm just going to turn the switch on.
You can turn the switch on.
Right there.
Yeah.
Just going to turn this. You have to turn it.
So we're gonna mix it. We're gonna go all the way up to 10. We're gonna mix it on high for 6 to 8 minutes. So we're gonna set a timer, okay?
Okay.
All right. Gotta open this up, turn it this way to the left. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. There we go. And then we gotta open it up. Pull, pull, pull. Hey. And we need to measure out a cup. So up to the 8.
Baby. Here's a paper.
Is it good? And then you can do this to get it off. Let's get it off.
How did that was some on my
It's okay.
finger?
Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
But I think.
Alright. Are you ready? All right, so this needs to go in the microwave for 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put it in for 15 seconds, take it out, stir it, and then put it in for another 15 seconds. So we're gonna do that 4 times, all right?
Okay.
All right. And then I'll help you. Here, you can do this. You can hold this cup. Now we're gonna go. There you go. Let's get it all up in there.
When you do that, I'm just gonna hold it.
You're gonna hold it? Okay. So mix all our chocolate in there.
Oh my god.
With the eggs.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, is right.
Oh my gosh.
And make sure we scrape it. Get all that good chocolate in there. And then we gotta turn the mixer back on.
And
So turn the side on first. That's how we lock it. And then I'll move it over so you can reach. And then go ahead, turn it on. Not all the way, but turn it on.
2, 2, 2.
Let's start with 4. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this piece of paper. I love you too. We're gonna put this piece of paper in here. And then we're gonna take this, and you know what to do with that.
Spray it.
Spray it. Everywhere.
It just got everywhere on the
It did get
table.
So now we're gonna make sure this is all mixed together. Good, go hold the ball. Up high, let's do it from the top. Yeah, whoa.
Wow, that's a lot. That's so many. But that's a lot. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Yeah. Feel good.
Smells good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So this needs to go in the oven for about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go put this in the oven if that's okay with you. Or do you want to do it?
I want to do it.
Okay.
Make it nice and slow.
Alright. I'm gonna do this part because it's hot, okay? Alright. And then you can shut the oven from the handle. There you go. Good job. High five.
Take it out. Ooh. Now cut it. Why we have a plastic on it?
It's not plastic. That's the paper we put down. That keeps it from sticking to the bottom and getting stuck. So then we're gonna flip this again. And now we're gonna cut it. Ready? So let's go in half first.
Oh my gosh, it just got thick. Oh my god. It don't have stuff on it.
What stuff?
Stuff on it.
I'm gonna show you some stuff. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready for the stuff? Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I
They
got
look good.
They do look good.
You can grab my
Here's your stuff.
white. What is it?
What you think it is?
Towel?
Towels? No.
It looks so lumpy, but what it is? What it is?
So now,
Why you did that? Why you did that?
so we don't make a mess.
I don't do that. How you did that? Put it in there.
That's right. We're gonna put it in there.
And now flip it.
No, we're not gonna flip it. Put the bowl there. And then we're gonna take our brownies. You ready?
Yeah.
And you're gonna hold your hand out like this. You ready?
Mm-hmm. It looks like brown, white. Like snow.
It does look like snow.
Look like snow on brown.
All right, hold on. And now we're gonna taste it, but let me clean up real quick, okay?
Okay. It looks good.
Wait for me. I wanna taste with you. All right, are you ready to taste them?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Ah!
gonna try this one, okay?
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Like it?
Mm-hmm. It tastes like chocolate.
That's because there's chocolate in there. Remember the Nutella we put in there? It's chocolate.
Good.
I like them.
Me too.
They're super soft.
Yeah. Yeah. And they're cold.
Well, yeah, we cooled them down. You can't eat them hot. Gotta let them cool down.
You get my drink.
You want a drink? You know what will be good with these?
Mm-hmm.
Some milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, put some milk.
Look. We need a cup.
We do need a cup. I'm gonna give you milkshakes, and I will have. Let's see. I'll go with Mickey Mouse. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So.
Are you gonna have milk?
Yes, I'm gonna have some milk, sis. Go ahead and pour your milk, and then you can do mine too. All right. Can you pour me some?
Sure.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It got on my foot.
You got on your foot. You got on your lip too. You got a milk mustache.
You?
I got what? I got a milk mustache?
Yeah.
Oh wow. It's a hairy milk mustache, huh?
Yeah.
Gross. I'm gonna have another. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take my brownie. I'm going to dip it in my milk.
What?
What? Crazy.
That's what I did with the cookie.
That's what you did with the cookies.
Yeah.
Wow, this is good in the milk.
Yeah.
You should try it.
Sure. I'm just gonna try it. Look.
Good?
Until next time, bon appetit.